So much for following. If you wouldn't mind checking out my YouTube and giving me a subscribe, because we only need 2 more subscribers to get to 1,000 subscribers. Can you believe it? I can't believe it. Oh my gosh. Here's your chance to show us. Ah! Oh my god! Oh my god! We only need 1 more! Ah!
Hey! I think she hit it. Hey! We got 1,000, you guys.
Everybody, we got 1,000 subscribers here on YouTube.
That's
Everybody,
awesome.
thank you for 1,000. Everybody, thank you for 1,000.
Thanks, you guys. You helped me get.
Thank you for 1,000. Everybody, thank you for 1,000. We got 1,000. We got 1,000. We got 1,000. Oh my gosh, we got 1,000. We got 1,000. We got 1,000. We got 1,000. Oh my gosh, we got 1,000. I'm so thankful.
Thanks, you guys. Woohoo! But you guys can't hear it. That is awesome, you guys. And we were here to help her do that. That's so cool.
What just happened?
There we go.
Who did that? Oh. Oh, yay! We got 1,000! We got 1,000! We got 1,000! We got 1,000! Who did that? That's so mean! That is such a mean thing to do! That is such a mean thing to do! Why would you do that to me? That is so mean! Everybody, thank you so much. I cannot believe this. This is so crazy. We got to 1,000 subscribers tonight. Everybody, thank you all for getting me to 1,000 subscribers here on Twitch. Everybody also give it up for PhotoLukeHawaii, because PhotoLukeHawaii also helped me too by dedicating their streams to getting me to 1,000 subscribers. Can you woo! Everybody clap for PhotoLuke! Clap for PhotoLuke, because PhotoLuke was a big part of that too, for getting us there for so fast. Go follow PhotoLuke, everybody. Here's your chance to show us all that you are listening to my call. Here's your chance to shake it loud and sing this song with me right now. Say yeah, 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 yeah. 1,000, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. 1,000, yeah. Let's all there. Hey! We got 1,000. We got 1,000. We got 1,000 subscribers today. We got 1,000 subscribers today. Thanks for all of you. You're all so kind. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Everybody, thank you so much for helping me get to 1,000 subscribers. Everybody, thank you so much for helping me get to 1,000. I never thought I'd ever see that. This is so wild. This is such a glorious day, because I've always wanted this to happen. This I wrote in my dream journal. I think like a long time ago. I was like, get to 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. And holy crap, we did it. We are dream catchers. Everybody here are dream catchers. Thank you for inspiring me to achieve my dreams. That's right. Did you know if you got dreams, you can achieve them? All you gotta do is keep on going. Just like me, everybody, did you know you can achieve all the dreams that you want, anything that you want. All you gotta do is keep on going. Thank you for helping me prove that we can all achieve what we want in life. Just live happily and you and me. I don't know what I'll do without all of you. Thank you everybody so much for helping me get to 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. Goodness gracious, I don't know how to thank all of you, seriously. You're so amazing. Here's your chance to show us all that you are listening to my call. Here's your chance to shake it loud and sing this song with me right now. Say yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Ooh. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Everybody, thank you all so much. Everybody, here's my butt. Yeah. Oh, done. Wow, everyone is so awesome. Thank you to my mods for helping get Missy 1,000. I think we helped a little. Excuse me, PhotoLuke. You're a huge reason why we got there so quickly. I'm pretty sure PhotoLuke alone got us like 40 subs. So everybody, please give a lot of clappies to PhotoLuke for being so incredibly generous and so kind and so wonderful to dedicate 2 to 3 of your streams? 3 of his streams just to helping us get to 1,000. Big B. Okay, PhotoLuke, thank you for being so amazing. Can you believe that this incredible community has gone to this is so wild. This is so wild that we have gotten this many subscribers. Thank you everybody for being so supportive and sticking by me for so long too. This is for PhotoLuke. Hi Mateo! Original music. You can find this on any music streaming platform, everybody. You know the feeling you get when you get scared. Nothing feels right. Well, that's how I feel when life gets real and my thoughts play tricks on my mind. And then that's when I have to stop and think, is this true? Or is it a lie? Then I have to take my time, gather my strength to find my way back home. Don't forget to take it slow, try to let it go, try to be kind to your mind, because you never know what life may throw. So please try to take it slow. What's going on with my camera? It just died. I know the camera's not doing too hot. I know it's hard to ask yourself why I believe these lies. Please don't go too far into the dark. my light shines bright for you. Don't forget to take it slow. Try to let it go. Try to be kind to your mind, because you never know what life may throw. So please try to take it, oh, PhotoLuke, slow. So please try to take it slow. PhotoLuke, that was for you. PhotoLuke, I cannot express how thankful I am you would do something like that for me. You are so incredible. If you guys don't know, PhotoLukeHawaii has been dedicating like multiple of his streams just to help me get to 1,000 YouTube subscribers. And I think him alone, he got me like, I think 40. If you go check out his YouTube has like over 17,000 subscribers. He's popular on YouTube. I had no idea until I saw how many subscribers he has, and I subscribed too. So everybody go follow PhotoLuke. He is such a dear friend of ours. I am very thankful that he would dedicate that many of his streams just to helping us. So, and he's always been so supportive. He's always like #1 spammer in the chat. Always so sweet. Like, you guys have no idea. When I see you doing all those emotes in the chat, it's so wonderful. It's so encouraging. It makes me feel like I'm doing a good job. So I appreciate you.